What's good, traders? It's August 28th. Let's see if we can catch a trade today. So yesterday, unfortunately, I was not on the charts, so I did not record me breaking down any form of trade. However, today, let's see if we can catch one. So on Forex Factory, we have 7:30 a.m. red folder news. I do think that will definitely move the markets. Let me build a daily profile. So today, price did displace the previous day high. We have this swing that price could target on gold. Price is respecting bullish fair value gaps, so we could see price come and take out this buy side liquidity. On the 1 hour, let me mark out my sessions. If I see a 5-minute fair value gap and that fair value gap holding, I'll take it to these highs up here because we're just so close to that draw. For EU, we did displace through previous day high as well. My draw on liquidity could be this high. On the 1 hour, we are creating this fair value gap. We are displacing through swings. I would like to see price retrace to this fair value gap so I could then target these highs up here. On GU, once again, we are displacing through previous day high. This could be my draw on liquidity. We haven't swept this liquidity either, so these are relatively equal highs that price could hopefully draw towards. We're sweeping liquidity. This is giving me all I really need. If we could end up retracing to this fair value gap, that would be amazing. Let me mark out my sessions. Okay, we have 5 minutes till market opens. For gold, let me take my fib. If we can come back and tap into this fair value gap, then I would gladly take price to that draw. Okay, we swept liquidity right here on EU. Let's see if we can get a tap into this fair value gap and displace higher. On GU, we invalidated this fair value gap across these pairs. Buys look really nice. Looks like gold is coming down. Looks like we're coming down on GU. Market is now open. Looks like price tapped into this fair value gap. Still too early to get into it though. It can come through this one or this one. Both will be valid. If we get a break of structure off of this one, then I would get in this trade. Let's see if we change the state right here. Looks like GU is just lagging behind. This candle really doesn't tell me much, so I think I might wait for next candle closure. Okay, I'm in buys on gold. I think I got in around there, putting my stops just below that wick, and I'm targeting these highs. Looks like this trade is playing out in my favor. Here's a 1-to-1 for me. This is where I'm going to take partials and move my stops to break even, but I'm going to target a 1-to-2. So we tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap and we're real close to this draw. That was why I got in this trade. And we broke structure, showing me that price is not trying to come any lower. Looks like Euro USD hit my draw without coming to a fair value gap. On GU, we're just in this range. I took half my position and I put my stop loss at break even. So I got stopped out at break even, but I took partials at my 1-to-1. So this was a small win. I still do think that price is going to hit this draw and possibly go even higher. Ended up getting stopped out because of the spreads, but it is what it is. If you stayed this long, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.